In we have solved the exercise 5.7 and 5.8. Now our next topic is three-dimensional shapes. What? Three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shape. By name we can say that the any figures will having three dimensions. What? Till now we have seen two-dimensional figure: rectangle, square, quadrilateral, pentagon, octagon. These are 2D shapes, means two-dimensional, because here there are two-dimensional, length into breadth, when L equals to L, quadrilateral, length, breadth. Now in three-dimensional figure there will be three dimensions, and dimension will be either length, breadth, height, like this. Suppose when you see a room, suppose you see room of your house, a room having dimension length, breadth and height. Suppose the shape of your room is like cube. What is the shape of your room? Is like cube. Shape of the room is like cube. Now this will be cube. Now just like in 2D figure, what we have? Vertices and arm. Yes or no? Vertices. Now here in 3D figure we will have face, vertex and edge. In 2D figure, when two line segment join each other, then vertex form. But in here, what is how vertex edge will be formed? I will tell. Face. Suppose cube is made of 6 square face. How many? There will be 6 square face. How? This one will be the front, this will be second, third, fourth, fifth, and upper one will be 6. I am taking an example. Let us see. This. What will be the shape of book? The shape of book will be cuboid. This one is the first face. This one, and opposite of this will be second face. First, second. This one will be the third face. This one will be the fourth face. Fourth. This one will be the fifth face, and this one will be the sixth face. So total number of faces is 6. So what you can write? Total number of face will be 6. Now what is vertex? Before coming to vertex, we will see edge. What is the definition of edge? Here the definition of edge will be the place, the line segment where two faces meet each other. Means what will be the edge? The line segment where two faces meet each other. क्या हो रहा है? जहां पे दो फेस मीट करेगा उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? एज. Now total age will be this. Here this face is meeting, here the back one. So 1. Now we will see total number of age. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of age will be, total of number of face is 6. Total number of age equals to 12. Now vertex, where vertex is in the three-dimensional figure, vertex is that point where vertex is a point where three face meet each other. कितने फेस मीट कर रहे हैं? थ्री फेस. So I am marking the different face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of vertex will be 8. So in the case of cube and cuboid, total number of face will be 6, total number of edge will be 12, total number of vertex will be 8. Now moving on, there are some different prism. How prism is formed? Now prism is a type of material. It is made up of glass. If what will be the shape of rectangular cubes? It will be cuboid. And it is set square, then it will be cube. A prism has two identical bases. A triangular face is also known as its base. Other faces are rectangle. ये हो सकता है pyramid. Pyramid क्या होगा? Next coming to pyramid. Pyramid is that figure where it is made on any figure. तुम्हारे पास rectangular हो सकता है. The base will be any figure and remaining figure will be made of triangle. Suppose you have given base as parallelogram. Now you have to form it. Then the pyramid will look like this. Means there you will have a base and another remaining figure will be made of triangle. Now moving on to exercise. See the exercise. First do this, you do by yourself. Now match the following. You have to match the following. Exercise 5.9 is match the following. First question, cone A. First A will be in second part of B. Now B is a sphere. A sphere is fourth one figure is a sphere. C, cylinder. Fifth figure is cylinder. Now moving to next D, cuboid. Figure third is cuboid. And next one is E, pyramid. That is first one. First figure is pyramid. Give two new example of each shape. Now moving to question number 2. We have to give two example of each shape. First, instrument box. What will be the shape of instrument box? The shape of instrument box will be cuboid. What the shape of instrument box will be? Cuboid. A brick, cuboid. C, matchbox, cuboid. D, roller is cylinder. Next one is E, a sweet laddu is a sphere. Now we have completed exercise 5.9 and we have So we have completed our chapter, that is chapter number 5. So now we will move next exercise, next chapter, that is integer. Thank you. Have a nice day.